Hello, welcome to Sierra Instruments Smart Interface Program tutorial for the Quadratherm Flow Totalizer. I'm Brian Estep, Senior Software Engineer here at Sierra. Today I will be demonstrating the new Flow Totalizer capabilities now available for the 640i and 780i product line. One of the special features of the Quadratherm Mass Flow Meter is its ability to be simultaneously calibrated for 4 unique gas mixtures. You can see this here. Our new Flow Totalizer provides the functionality to allow an end user to totalize the measured flow for each of these gas slots independently. The Quadratherm Flow Totalizer is only active when the meter is set to use mass flow units. If you attempt to access the Flow Totalizer while in non-mass flow units, you will receive a warning message like this. Simply set the meter to use a mass flow unit, standard cubic feet per minute for example, and you will then be able to access the Flow Totalizer menu. This is the Flow Totalizer menu. You will notice at the top the current flow unit of the meter is shown. This is what all totalized values are displayed in. If you change between mass flow units, all Flow Totalizer fields will be converted accordingly. To the right of the totalizer flow units, notice the Force Totalizer Relay Pulse drop-down menu. This function allows you to set and test the relay pulse using a voltmeter. To view an instruction wiring diagram, click the Help button here, then hover over the force relay pulse. This diagram demonstrates how to set the meter up for the test. When you attempt to make any change on the Flow Totalizer menu, you'll see a Save button pop up down here. If you return to the previous state, the save goes away. The Flow Totalizer has a section for each of the gas slots with parameters for managing the totalized flow. Notice that this section is tagged in red, active. This marks the meter's currently activated gas slot. The first parameter in each section is the totalizer status. This value controls whether the Flow Totalizer is on or off for that gas slot. Although multiple gas slots can be set to on at a given time, only the active gas will actually totalize if it is on. Below the totalizer status, you see the units per pulse parameter. This value represents the number of flow units that are counted per relay pulse. This parameter can be seen as the ruler which the Flow Totalizer uses to measure with. As flow accumulates, you will see that this is the amount which the totalized flow value increases by. Next, you see the pulse width drop-down menu. This parameter controls the time interval of the relay pulse. The possible values are off, 50 milliseconds, 100 milliseconds, and 250 milliseconds. For more detailed descriptions of the units per pulse parameter and the pulse width parameter, please see the instruction manual. Finally, we have the totalized flow field. This value represents the total accumulated flow for this gas slot since its totalizer was set to on. When flow is present, this value will continue to increase until the Flow Totalizer status is set to off. Some meters may be programmed to allow for resetting the totalized flow value. For these meters, a Reset Totalizer button appears below the totalized flow field. Upon clicking, a user will be prompted to confirm the action. Once confirmed, the totalized flow for that gas slot is reset to 0. The Quadratherm Flow Totalizer provides a powerful new tool for meter data collection. By utilizing its available functionality, accumulated flow for all 4 gas mixes loaded into the meter can be accurately and reliably determined. This concludes the tutorial on the Quadratherm Flow Totalizer. Thank you and have a great day.